In the second topic of the course Anatomical Terminology, the following topics will be studied: adjectives, adjective and noun agreement. The adjective is a word expressing the quality of a thing. Latin adjectives have always grammar agreement with their nouns, that is, a noun and an adjective must have the same gender, case and number. The adjective follows the noun. Adjectives which have three gender endings make up the first group. The dictionary form of adjectives includes the full masculine form, endings of the feminine and the neutral ones. All these forms are in the nominative. In these adjectives the endings of the feminine and the neutral forms are enlarged. It is common for the adjectives with the ending -er in the masculine form because it helps us determine whether the vowel -ly in the feminine and the neutral forms is lost or not. The gender forms of the adjectives of this group have the declension pattern in the nouns of the first and second declensions. Feminine forms are declined like the nouns of the first declension. Masculine and neutral forms are declined like the nouns of the second declension. The stem of these adjectives is determined like that of the nouns. This group includes adjectives following the rules of the third declension of nouns. According to their gender endings they are divided into three subgroups. The stem of this group of adjectives is determined like in the preceding group. The first subgroup is made up of adjectives having three gender endings. The written dictionary form, as in the previous group, includes the full masculine form and the endings of the feminine and the neutral. The second subgroup includes adjectives with two gender endings. Masculine and feminine forms have the common ending is, neutral form has the ending -e. Genitive form is the same for all genders. The dictionary form of these adjectives consists of the full masculine, feminine form and the ending of neutral form. Adjectives of this subgroup are the most numerous in medical terminology. The third subgroup is made up of adjectives with one ending, common for the three genders. The dictionary form of these adjectives includes the nominative form and the genitive ending. To agree an adjective and a noun in Latin means to put these parts of speech in the same gender, number and case. To do it you should write dictionary forms of the noun and adjective, determine the gender, number and case of the noun, place the noun in the first place of the term, choose the correct grammar form of the adjective for this noun and put it in the second place, after the noun. Let's translate the following word combination into Latin. First of all, let us write down the dictionary form of every word. Now, let us make up the agreement. The noun is feminine, singular, in nominative case. So in the dictionary form of the adjective we choose the feminine, singular form in nominative case. Let's translate the following word combination into Latin. First of all, let us write down the dictionary form of every word. Now, let us make up the agreement. The noun is neutral, singular, in nominative case. So in the dictionary form of the adjective we choose the neutral, singular form in nominative case. If we have to agree two or more adjectives with one noun, the word order is the following.